Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the solar pathway lights. As you can see, I got them laid out here along the path to my house. Taking a closer look at these lights, you can see just how durable and how high quality these things look. It's got this very nice metal mesh. It's all metal construction, and it's got just a couple segments that go ahead and go into the ground. There's a stake that does that. You can simply pull out the solar panel if you wish, and that's where the switch is to turn it on or off. It's just one color, which I like. There's no need to mess around with any brightnesses or different color temperatures. Go ahead and pop that back in. It's got that kind of retro style hanging light inside there, and these things are super bright, really light up the walkway nicely, and they last for a really long time, hours on end, after just a day of charging up in the sun. So overall, I highly recommend these solar lights. Thanks for watching.